Welcome to Speak a Tale, your go-to channel for unraveling the secrets of personal growth and self-improvement. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of visualization, a powerful technique used by some of the most successful people to turn their dreams into reality. Stay with us as we break it down into simple, actionable steps that you can apply to transform your life. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. Imagine standing on the stage of your dreams. The crowd roars, the spotlight is on you, and you can feel the warmth of achievement coursing through your veins. It feels real, doesn't it? That's the incredible power of visualization. A force so transformative that it has propelled countless ordinary individuals toward extraordinary success. But this isn't just a feel-good idea or wishful thinking. Visualization is a proven tool used by some of the world's most successful people to shape their destinies. When done right, it doesn't just inspire, it transforms. What is visualization? Visualization is more than daydreaming. It's the intentional act of imagining yourself achieving your goals with vivid clarity and emotion. When you picture your success in your mind, your brain begins to act as if it's already happening, creating the mindset and confidence needed to make it a reality. Why visualization works? Visualization activates the brain's neural pathways, helping you mentally rehearse success before it happens. Neuroscience tells us that the brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined event and a real one. When you visualize, you're preparing your mind and body for success, just as if you were practicing it physically. Example: Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps didn't just train in the pool, he visualized every race, every stroke, every turn, and every finish line. On the day of a competition, his mind had already lived the victory thousands of times, giving him the edge to dominate the water. How visualization has changed lives. 1. Jim Carrey's $10 million check. Before Jim Carrey became a household name, he was a struggling actor. To keep himself motivated, he wrote a $10 million check to himself for acting services rendered, and dated it 5 years into the future. He carried it in his wallet and visualized cashing it every day. Fast forward to 1994, and he received exactly $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber. 2. Serena Williams's mental game. Serena Williams didn't just train physically to become a tennis legend, she visualized each match point, every opponent's serve, and every victorious moment. This mental rehearsal gave her the clarity and focus to achieve greatness on the court. 3. Oprah Winfrey's vision of purpose. Oprah Winfrey attributes much of her success to visualization. From envisioning herself as a successful talk show host to manifesting a life filled with purpose and abundance, she turned her dreams into tangible reality by believing in her vision and taking bold action. The steps to effective visualization. 1. Define your goal with precision. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want to be successful." Say, "I want to own a thriving business that impacts millions." The clearer your vision, the stronger its pull. 2. Create a vivid mental picture. Engage all your senses. If your dream is to travel the world, imagine the sound of ocean waves, the smell of exotic food, and the joy of exploring new cultures. 3. Feel the emotion deeply. Visualization is fueled by emotion. Feel the pride, joy, and gratitude you'll experience when you achieve your goal. Let that emotion seep into your soul. 4. Rehearse daily. Set aside 10 minutes every day to visualize your goals. Make it a sacred ritual. Consistency builds belief, and belief moves mountains. 5. Pair visualization with action. Visualization without action is like planting seeds without watering them. Use your mental rehearsal as motivation to take concrete steps toward your goals. The science behind visualization. Studies have shown that visualization activates the brain's motor cortex, the same area that lights up when performing a physical activity. This is why visualization is a key part of training for athletes, performers, and high achievers. Example: A study at the Cleveland Clinic found that individuals who visualized exercising their muscles experienced a 13.5% increase in strength. Even without physical activity, your mind is that powerful. How you can start visualizing today. Dream big. Don't limit yourself. Visualize the life you truly want, not just what feels possible. Stay consistent. Commit to visualizing your goals every single day. Be patient. Results won't come overnight, but trust the process. The seeds you plant today will bloom tomorrow. A personal story of transformation. I remember a friend who dreamed of starting a business. She was drowning in doubt, but she began visualizing herself running a successful company. She imagined the joy of serving happy customers, the sound of her phone buzzing with orders, and the sense of pride when she finally achieved her dream. With daily visualization and relentless action, she turned her vision into reality. Today, her business is thriving, and she credits visualization as the catalyst that gave her the courage to start. Your call to action. The power to change your life is already within you. Close your eyes and see the life you've always wanted. Feel it. Believe it. Then, take one bold step today to make it real. Success isn't reserved for the lucky or the gifted. It belongs to those who dare to dream and have the courage to visualize a better future. So, what will you visualize today? Whatever it is, see it vividly, feel it passionately, and pursue it relentlessly. Because what your mind can see, your heart can believe, and your hands can achieve. And that's the power of visualization. By vividly imagining your goals and believing in their achievement, you can align your actions and mindset to make them a reality. Remember, consistency and belief are the keys to success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak a Tale for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.